Do you want to become wealthy fast? It's possible. But fast wealth doesn't come without cost. In this video, I'll take you through 10 major sacrifices you'll likely need to make if you truly want to accelerate your financial success. Some of these won't be easy, but if you're committed, they can change everything. 1. Say goodbye to instant gratification. You'll need to trade the rush of now for the future's reward. That means choosing reliable, affordable things over flashy upgrades. Living modestly even when you could celebrate with luxuries. Reinvesting profits instead of spending them. 2. Your social life will take a back seat. Building wealth quickly demands time, and sometimes that cuts into social life. Weekends, nights, the hours others use for relaxation may become work hours for you. Conversations may shift to business, investing, strategy, and that can strain old friendships. But new relationships will emerge. Mentors, partners, people who share your goals. 3. Kiss your free time and hobbies. Goodbye. Your hobbies, those joyful escapes, may have to wait. Instead of leisure, you'll spend time upskilling. Relaxation becomes an occasional reward, not a daily norm. Even entertainment becomes more purposeful. Documentaries, podcasts, content that aligns with growth. 4. Trade job security for wealth-building opportunities. If you stay in a safe, steady job, growth may be slow. To speed things up, accept roles with commission, partnerships, entrepreneurship. Embrace risk, but do it strategically. Plan transitions so you're not blindsided. 5. Lower your living standards. Dramatically. Living below your means becomes essential. Cut unnecessary expenses. Move into smaller or more affordable housing. Limit fancy dining, subscriptions, status purchases. The less you need to spend, the more you can save and invest. 6. Sacrifice sleep and potentially your health, but carefully. Money grows from action, but action fueled by burnout collapses. You may pull nights, skip rest, that comes at a cost. Still, smart wealth builders don't totally abandon health. They optimize it. Use efficient workouts, good sleep hygiene. Ensure your energy is up even under pressure. 7. Embrace constant learning and discomfort. You'll spend more time where you're not comfortable, learning new skills, tackling unknown markets, making decisions with imperfect information. Growth happens at the edges of discomfort. The more you lean in, the faster you adapt, innovate, excel. 8. Give up financial safety nets. Traditional advice says, keep lots of cash in the bank, build a cushion. But rapid wealth comes from putting that money to work. That means leaving some safety behind while still being smart. Maybe maintain a small emergency fund, but deploy much of your capital in higher growth opportunities. 9. Abandon any hope of work-life balance, for now. If wealth is your goal, balance can become a luxury in the early phases. You'll be thinking about business, investments, strategies in every spare moment. Nights, weekends, you may be working. The free time you used to enjoy might disappear. 10. Accept uncertainty as your new normal. You'll trade predictability for volatility. Unsteady income. Markets changing, rules fluctuating. Risk is unavoidable, but so is the potential gain. Rapid wealth building demands more than just working hard. It demands trade-offs that many shy away from. But here's the truth. Sacrificing some things now can unlock opportunities that let you enjoy more later. The key? Balance your ambition with self-care. Protect your relationships. Guard your health. Let your long-term vision pull you forward. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, share with someone who's serious about leveling up, and subscribe for more content on wealth-building strategies. Also, let me know in the comments, what sacrifice are you most ready to make on your journey?